Hi, this is John with WATI. And with one of my most convenient snacks, and actually this is really filling. This is the Lenny and Larry's complete cookie chocolate flavor. So one of the things about this cookie that I like the most is how filling it is. This has 16 grams of protein. It's plant based, so it's not gonna go too funny on your stomach or it's gonna give you a stomach ache. No, in this case, goes out really good. I've used it for different occasions just to eat it normally. I sometimes I put it in my oatmeal so I can push them over. And sometimes for me, it's a little bit hard to get into my protein intake for the day and just getting a really fast, quick snack that's gonna give you 16 grams of protein. It's so convenient. You can take this to anywhere, pretty much anywhere, and the chocolate flavor is really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.